I'm Sharon Tinberg, creator of CleanSmart Academy, where we transform ordinary people into extraordinary cleaners. With the power of animation and cutting-edge technology, we've refined how cleaners are trained, making it engaging, effective, and scalable. I've been in the cleaning business for 37 years, and while change has come slowly compared to other industries, we've seen some notable shifts. Microfiber towels, HEPA-filtered vacuums, flat mop heads, and more recently, social media and AI. But one area has remained surprisingly static: cleaner training. For decades, we've relied on shadow training, where new hires watch experienced cleaners. This process is inconsistent, time-consuming, and often leads to trainer burnout. Trainers dedicate hours only to find that new hires drop out, leaving them frustrated and sometimes reconsidering their role. The CleanSmart Academy Training Kit introduces a paradigm shift in cleaner training, using strategic steps and animated videos that make shadowing unnecessary. With CleanSmart, new hires are fully trained in less than 3 days. Just as half of cleaning involves seeing what needs to be cleaned, a large part of training lies in guiding new employees through new systems and forming effective cleaning habits. Building habits is no small task. Repeating simple, structured steps like returning cleaning tools to their apron after each use is reinforced through our kit, transforming small tasks into reliable routines that are easy to remember and maintain. One of the standard features of the CleanSmart Kit is its editable manual, a unique offering coded for direct user interaction. Unlike traditional training manuals and materials, or even some university platforms, the CleanSmart manual allows companies to adjust the content to fit their specific procedures, tools, products, and standards. This means that every new hire starts their first job already familiar with the company's tools, actions, products, and methods, reducing confusion and streamlining the learning curve. So what's the real difference between our animated training videos and traditional human-led cleaning videos, like the original Core series? With animation, I can design custom floor plans that cover every cleaning scenario: ceiling fans, light fixtures, all the little details that might not be present in a specific home during filming. Animations also enhance retention by 60%. For example, showing Bella Bright slipping on a soap dish conveys the risk far more effectively than a verbal warning would. You just can't create those moments with a real human safely. This innovation doesn't stop at replacing shadow training. CleanSmart has also addressed the two other pillars necessary for quality and consistency: a well-defined process for each cleaning area, and digital customization that allows every cleaner to access the same high standards across every job. Together, these elements achieve a nearly flawless training process, delivering every scenario and procedure in a structured, engaging way. With CleanSmart, shadow training becomes just that: a shadow. The professor and Bella Bright have transformed residential cleaning training. If you're coming to the ISSA convention in a couple of weeks, we invite you to visit our booth to see it firsthand. And we'd be honored to have you vote for the first ever nominee in the ISSA Awards from the residential arena, CleanSmart Academy. Come and see it, vote for us. Thanks for your support, and see you next time. Until then, happy training.